All right, today we're on course, playing at Rustic Canyon Golf Course in Moore Park, California, one of my favorite tracks. Let's do it. All right, Rustic Canyon, it's a Gil Hanse designed golf course, one of my absolute favorites. This course plays toughest when it's windy. And today, we've got like 20+ mph winds, it's cold, and so it's going to be a great test. What I love about this golf course is on the front, we have 3 par 5s and 3 par 3s. It's significantly easier than the back. So if you're gonna go low, you wanna start a good front 9 here. But we're gonna take it 3 holes at a time. This is part 1. Here we go. We're tipping this course out at a little over 7,000 yards. We're playing the blacks, so should be a tough test today. We'll see how we do. My last round was on a par. Let's see if we can keep the streak alive, all right? Here we go. The first hole here is a 540-yard par 5. Little dogleg right. We don't want to go left, that's out of bounds, and too far right would be the hazard, so we don't want to go in there either, but it's downwind today, so let's see if we can get on in 2 and start off with a birdie. Okay, I have 262 yards left for my second shot. Here's the issue. It's straight downwind. It's a little downhill too, so I could probably reach it. The problem with it though is as soon as it hits, it's gonna run off way the back of the green. There's no chance of stopping it. The wind will knock the 3-wood down, and so it'll just come off even hotter. So the best play right now is to lay up, even though you can go for it. It's just, you're gonna have a very difficult pitch shot from behind the green. So I don't want that. I want to be able to flight a low wedge in there, stop it as close to the hole as I can, especially in these conditions. So lay it up, it is, because there's just trouble here you don't want to deal with. So layup is the call. So I'm just going to hit a 6-iron, layup, and go pretty far right, layup, get a good angle into the flag. One thing I like to do a lot, if I can, if you're starting on a par 5, I really like, if go for it isn't a given, I like to lay up with the mid to long iron on a par 5, because I feel like I get a free swing on the course. Although I don't want to not think about my layup, I do feel like, hey, I probably have a pretty wide fairway to hit to, so I can just get a good swing on course. It kind of loosens me up, shakes off the cobwebs or the nerves, so to speak. So on a par 5, if you're starting a first hole, something to consider when you're out there. Just get a good swing, and then remember that for the rest of the round, so that you can build confidence on that swing. Okay, 78 yards, downhill, downwind. I want to be aggressive here with my 60. I'm gonna take like a little less than 3/4, so maybe a half swing, really go after it, but gotta be careful, you don't want to go too far. Not bad, it spun a little bit, so it came back on me. See if we can't do something good. Okay, not the greatest of shots in there. Probably have 30 feet left. Spun back on me a little bit. The greens are a little softer than normal here, so something to consider. We did get a lot of rain yesterday, so I'm gonna take that into account. All right, a little par save there. Huge greens here at Rustic, which is good if your putting's on, but if it's not, it could be a long day. Second hole here is a 440-something yard par 4, pretty straight away, long, don't go left, it's out of bounds. Got plenty of room right. However, from experience, playing here a number of times, if you go down the left side, the ball runs out a lot more than the right. So and you have a much better angle to the green. One thing I love about this golf course is it really tests your game. You can go, it's one of those courses that you could go really low or really high. If you're on, it's gettable. If you're just a little off, it will get you, that's for sure. And it's a links style golf course, so that's something pretty cool, you know, out here in California. We don't have a lot of that style of play. So it's just little different look, different feel. Plus for walking during the week, it's 44 bucks. It's a great deal here, and probably one of the best deals around the city, around LA area, anywhere. So give it a check out if you're in the neighborhood. My second shot here, I have 148 yards left. Downwind, I'm taking a 9-iron. One of the things I love about playing in the wind is that you get to be creative and just feel the shot more so than just hit a number every time. And for me, I feel like that kind of suits my game a little bit better. And I also shot the bunker, so I have to carry 110. That's good to know. Know your carry number, carry trouble. Always make sure you can carry trouble. Other than that, I'm going right at this thing. Pretty strong wind. Took it to the right pretty good, so gotta get up and down, but shouldn't be too challenging, hopefully. I rolled out quite a bit. I just didn't start it near far enough left. Okay, nothing like about a 12-footer. Pretty hard left to right breaker for par here on the second hole. Not the start I wanted to. Be struggling for pars on the first two, but we'll see if we can't get lucky. Look, you're gonna make some bogeys out there, right? So don't let one affect you in a way that's going to ruin the rest of the day. But you want to learn from that. I want to take what I did, the mistakes I made. Not that I felt like I really made a mistake. I'm just kind of getting a feel for the green, the course right now, and what it's offering. Not much. Today's gonna be a tough day. I know that going in because of the conditions. So you gotta know that. Okay, the third hole here is a 300 and maybe 10-yard par 4. You can go for this for sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to go for it with the driver or lay back way to the right there with an iron and approach it that way. So today I'm just going to lay up on this hole, and you could lay up way right or way left. Either one is fine. I'm going to go down the left side just because it's an easier angle into the flag. Got to watch out for this tree limb here. But my normal shot's a little right to left with my iron, so see if we can just curve it around. Okay, I have 71 yards. My second shot here. Got a little downslope lie. And I just want to roll it to the green, really. So I'm going to use a 50-degree wedge and just let it hit and release and roll, you know, hopefully close to that hole. And here again, I'm just backing the ball up, maybe one ball back of center. And it's just like a long pitch shot with an extra club. A few extra clubs. Felt like I played the right shot and did everything I wanted. Probably needed a 9-iron in that situation. So again, I'm trying to figure out how much the ball is releasing. The fairways are incredibly firm. The greens are relatively soft but firm as well, if that makes any sense. The rough, the light rough, is not releasing at all. So just gotta factor all that in. Also, this is part 1 of the course round. To see parts 2 through 5 or 6, go to my membership site for $5, $4.99 a month. You can have access to all these course vlogs, and a lot of other stuff's coming, new content uploaded each week. So that's there for you if you want to watch this. The rest of my tips and drills and stuff like that will be on my YouTube channel for free, so that will remain the same. Also, if you like any of the gear I have a link below for that. You can check it all out. These shoes, Athlons, if you like those, they're a little on the spendy side, like 200 bucks I think, but I have a promo code. I'll leave a link for that as well. You get free inserts, the insoles, the neutral ones. And they give those to you free with the promo code I leave for you. All right? Anyways, like a 45-foot putt here. We're off the green right now, so we're gonna roll it in, roll it close. Guess I could have left the flagstick in there. It's 2019. Forgot. Could have saved myself like 3 seconds off this round. Oh well, live and learn. All right, so that's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button, share, check out the membership page if you wish. And I love you guys. We'll see you next time.